Hello everyone, I am here for another layout and my background is basil cardstock in that lemon pattern, Home's Flourish called Ponderosa. This is the fourth layout using April. I think this one I stayed July. I said I think I'm going to use this pattern and this background and this stencil-y background, die cut background, and my picture, and that was it. So I will work on that today, hopefully. Get some scrapbooking is my therapy, so it's my time. I can get in my zen, my meditation time. Put on some meditation music on Pandora and just relax and mind calm. Yeah. Yep. So anyway, this is my niece and her two boys. She's recently divorced. The wedding page that I did called Happy Day, that was my niece Jessica. This is Lynette, and she, she got married, and then I think 3 months later they were separated. So their marriage lasted a whole 3 months, which I guess I didn't know this, but before they got married, her fiance left for like 2 weeks, and then he come back and goes, okay, we can get married now. And they said, don't go through with it. Just cancel the wedding and wait and see what happens, because, yeah. And she didn't listen. She married him anyway, and yeah. So she's raising 2 boys on her own. Which I'm sure is no easy task. I wish I had kids of my own, but I didn't. I would like to still have a baby, but I don't know if that's possible. I've always wanted a family. So we'll see. What's meant to be will be. Yeah. Anyway, back to my layout. So those papers that you use, those were some scraps. I used in die cuts from Pink Paisley Pick Me Up. I am using that card, which is from a Project Life add-on kit, from past kits. I don't get the Project Life add-on kit anymore. So, because the cards were just kept accumulating, I used embellishments, but I'm not really using the cards. So I want to use up the cards. And I'm going to add some die cuts. And I'm using a lemon sticker, which is from a past kit, but of course matches this layout. And even with everything that, I mean, I know being a single mom, working a full-time job, and going to school, she has started her own photography business before going to school. So she kind of started doing that, and then she decided to go to school to get her degree for it. She just recently graduated with a photography degree. But I mean, she still found time, a lot of time for her 2 boys. So this I title When Life Gives You Lemons, Make Lemonade. Because I'm sure there are days that she just wants to be like, I quit. So dimensional stickers are Jen Hadfield. And then that completes the layout, but I do add a title. The Win and Make is Amy Tangerine Thickers. Life Gives and Lemons is from Hip Kit Club Alpha Stickers. You is Dear Lizzie Desktop Thickers, and Lemonade is American Crust Happy Thickers, which all this is on my blog. So anyway, I'll be back with more. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.